Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best product reviews in the market. Today, we have something truly exciting to talk about: the Beverages 20 ounces Nut Milk Maker machine. If you're into plant-based milk, almond milk, or any dairy-free beverages, this is the ultimate kitchen gadget you've been waiting for. We're about to dive into all the features, benefits, and why this is the best soy milk maker out there. Let's start with the basics. This Nut Milk Maker machine by Beverages is an absolute game changer. It's equipped with 10 durable stainless steel blades, and let me tell you, it's not just for making soy milk. You can create almond milk, cashew milk, oat milk, soy milk, smoothies, and even hot or cold vegan milk. Now, what sets this apart is the upgraded 10-blade 3D design, which ensures that your drinks are not only nutritious but also incredibly smooth and tasty. Plus, it's got a low-noise soundproof design, so you can whip up your favorite milk without waking the whole house. One of the things I love about this machine is its versatility. It offers a whopping 9 functions. You can skip the soaking process. And it even has specific temperature settings: room temp, tepid, warm, hot, and boil, catering to various hot drinks and milk types. Not to mention, it can keep your milk warm and even has a timer function that goes up to 12 hours. And guess what? It's not just about making milk. You can use it for sterilizing, auto-cleaning, and achieving the perfect temperature settings. This is like having your own barista in the kitchen, 24/7. Now, here's the best part: it's not just a fantastic kitchen appliance, it's a lifestyle choice. Whether you're using it for yourself or considering it as a gift, the Beverages Nut Milk Maker promotes a healthier and more sustainable way of living. Now, I know some of you might be wondering about compatibility. This product is designed for use in the US, so if you're elsewhere, you might need an adapter or converter. Always check before purchasing. So, let's talk price. The typical price for this amazing nut milk maker is $129.99. But, hold on to your seats, because it's currently available as a Black Friday deal at just $98.49. That's a 24% discount, and you can even apply a $20 coupon to save even more. In summary, the Beverages Nut Milk Maker machine is a kitchen essential for anyone who enjoys plant-based milk or wants to embrace a healthier lifestyle. With its versatility, ease of use, and exceptional results, it's the best soy milk maker you can get your hands on. Don't miss out on this Black Friday deal. That's all for today, folks. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more exciting product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.